Hello folks and welcome back to another lesson. Our first Green Day song, so I thought I'd use a green guitar. It's indeed, this is the Eternal Guitar. Loads of people comment about this one. Dave Walsh, UK luthier, custom thing. Picked up second hand a little while ago. Now you may notice that my amp is turned off back there, so I'm not using any amp. I'm going direct into my Apollo Twin. So the tones are all going to be coming from the Donner Arena 2000, basically like an amp modelling and multi-effects processor. So all the effects, the amp and the cab sim are coming through that. So I mean, check it out. It's got like 150 presets. There's some really crazy stuff in there as well. So thank you, Donna, for sending this over, and I will be donating this to some lucky chap or chapess just before Christmas. Now, in terms of tones for this one, I had to stop myself from tweaking, but I thought I'd just go with the presets, right? So 2A and 2B do the two guitar parts, right, really nicely. So the intro part's quite twangy. Right, and then the second one is a bit more gainy. So I'm just using those two tones for this. So we've got and you do some open strings at the end. So you're basically playing the 4th fret twice, then you go up one string, so you move that whole chord shape up one string, right? Then you go to the 2nd fret on the low string, right, which is F sharp, 2 there, and then you go back up here, 4th fret on the A. And there you're doing 4, down one string, 4, down 2 frets to the 2nd fret, okay? And the strumming pattern is down, down, whack, up, up, whack, up, up, down, down, down. So it's not super hard, but it is quite quick. So it's good practice for changing chords quickly. So slowly we have. That bit at the end, right? And the second guitar part comes in on the F sharp, okay? So it's comes in there, right? Alright, now for the verse, you do a rest, almost for 2 full bars, but it's 7 beats. So you're going to come in on the 4th beat of the 2nd bar with this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Just with those like open strings, and then you go into the riff. Four, 1, 2, 3. So the second time you're going to be doing the open strings. First time you play, you do that, right? Rather than... Alright, pretty straightforward. Chorus is cool, we have this. Alright, that's the first time round. So we've got C sharp here, which is the 4th fret on the A string. Okay, let me go back to a slightly cleaner tone so you can hear that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Change, so you move it down one string. Identical strumming pattern now throughout. Then you go up to the 6th fret on the A. Okay, that's a D sharp, and then back to the G sharp. Right, second time round, you play just play that. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, you don't do that accent, right? It's just straight after the, and then a rest. Okay, back into the intro and then the verse. Those are the only parts you need, but then there's a solo as well, which does this. Alright, and then it goes round again. Second time round it goes. Just does that, right? So the octaves first, we've got this little pattern which is cool. Little descending one. So you're starting on the 8th fret there. It's the F, right? So that's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, right, when you change. Like that. Then you do a grace note slide. Okay, that's cool, isn't it? So you've got a slide here on the 4th fret up to the 6th. And then 5 more, right? Then there's another grace note slide from the 6 to 8. With that little run. And you're going to go to some single note stuff here on the 3rd fret. Same rhythm pretty much, right? So, I mean, fret that with, you know, whichever fingers you like. You can move your first finger around if you want. But you want to be on your first finger here, right? Because you're going to slide up to the 8th fret then. Play that really cool little riff there, right? So the first note is actually just slid up. So the pattern is... So you start with 2 notes on the 8th fret on the... We're on the G string now, right? Okay, so you're just playing... Just playing that little run with this. Apart from that last one, which just had 1 8th note on the 8th fret. Okay, so that whole bit slowly. Alright, then you go around again. Alright, that last bit again. And that's the first beat of the next bar when you go to the 9th fret. I think you've got that playing then. It plays that around 5 times, I think. But notice you're going to the every time, right? And a very subtle thing to note is that sometimes you'll hear a slide on the 4 and just before the chorus, right? So you'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Like that, right? So it's just a slide from anywhere around here, basically, just to get a bit of feel in there. And that, friends, is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.